Are the freezing crypto winter days over? Is XRP on a bull run? Can we call it the new trendsetter? XRP has remained a spotlight stealer for quite some time, so it's high time that investors jump into this. Without further delay, let's analyze what's happening. Hello stock enthusiasts! Welcome yet to another exciting episode. In today's video, we'll be discussing the market stance of XRP. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notifications. The crypto market has never been short of phenomenal players. While we're at it, we can't agree more that the crypto market is an extremely competitive place. If we were to talk about the sector's king, Bitcoin, we know how bullish the game has been lately. While we were recording the video, Bitcoin had a market cap of $454,519,831,014. In that regard, it's a positive sign that the global crypto market surpassed $1 trillion in market capitalization. It indeed brings relief to investors and signals a potential bull run we have been waiting for so far. Who doesn't want to be rich? However, with all that hyping up comes the risks correlated. It's not too healthy or wise to jump into the ocean without knowing about the tides, currents, and risks. So let's first get a hold of the situation and move wisely. What makes the investors' world think that XRP is coming along and is getting ready to embark on the bull journey? First and foremost, a strong buying interest surrounds the currency, and the entire market is exhibiting an uplift as of now. An update that roots the bullish claim as of now is that Ripple has been shortlisted as a candidate in the G20 Challenge, which seeks CBCD solution for the Bank for International Settlement and the Bank of Indonesia. As we can see, at this time and pace, a majority of banks are exploring the CBCDs. If the majority of these banks are too much into this, it does signal great potential and the opportunity unleashed in front of Ripple by itself. It's only a matter of time before the Ripple gets benefited from this. For quite some time, the BIS or Bank for International Settlement has been analyzing the hurdles while adopting such an advanced option. So as to find the best ones, the bank put forward 3 issues or concerns which need a solution. Creating a productive and strong means to issue, distribute, and transfer CBDC. The solution is to encourage financial inclusion, enhancing connectivity, and interoperability. Taking these 3 concerns as a focus, a number of well-established companies performed well and were shortlisted. Ripple, being one among them, boosts its reception and overall outlook. If they were to succeed in this competition, imagine the amount of immense support they will earn effortlessly. By the end of the month, Ripple will have to send in a prototype for an expert panel to analyze and conclude. The winners of the challenge will be then introduced in October. Does that mean October has something massive in store for us? Bitcoin was trading at $65,000 when Coinbase had its first IPO in 2021. During that time, Bitcoin has been on a massive bull run and was pumped up more than ever before. Following its March 2020 lows, it was an essential move. However, it had a plunge later. But that didn't stop the crypto from moving forward. It seems like almost all the cryptocurrency is returning to their former glory. Doesn't it indicate that the crypto universe is much more rooted than we ever thought? Here, let's consider that XRP would reach $7 as it approaches the lawsuit settlement. Many of us, including all the crypto enthusiasts out there, are still curious about whether XRP will have a blow-off top and move ahead beyond our prediction. Although the market has caught investors flat-footed, that doesn't mean things are always going south. The present scenario is a bit different from the past. XRP has successfully taken out the lows it set the past year during this time. At present, it is at key support and is testing the high it set in May 2017. If XRP succeeds in holding this support, it means an upside potential is likely. So, how high can the XRP price go? As we mentioned earlier, the crypto market is doing great recently, so it's natural that XRP follows the rest of the market. And if things are following the current hype, an altcoin market pump is imminent. So XRP will go on a great bull run. We know how Fibonacci extensions are of great help while predicting the market surge, so it's a great predictor of tops. According to the Fibonacci extension, the top assets is at the 4.236 extensions, so it's just a matter of a short time before XRP moves up and levels up the game. Also, did you know that XRP succeeded in making a big return to the top of the crypto market? It broke into the top 5 of the established or profitable assets. The market capitalization also looks pretty convincing. XRP is already up by about 10%, and it could go up a lot more as the hype continues. Based on the daily chart of the asset, XRP managed to break one of the first resistance levels, and the performance is rather optimistic. This signals something massive is on its way. We bet you all can relate to the fact that small retraces don't mean that XRP will hit new heights. At the same time, don't overlook the fact that it might as well be a sign of buying power developing, which XRP struggled with for the last few months of trading. The actual reason behind the current really might as well be the healing crypto market sentiment. It goes without saying that Ripple's success on the legal playing field also plays a major role, even though it's not related to XRP itself. Ripple is making headlines in the cryptocurrency world. While Ripple is going through some legal issues, it is expanding its operations. Being one of the largest and most popular crypto projects, XRP never had trouble making headlines. However, if you were to follow the company in detail, you already know about the legal tussle that's going on between the SEC and Ripple. A recent update eases the tension surrounding XRP. It's all thanks to the announcement CEO Brad Garlinghouse made. Garlinghouse assures that he would expand the company out of the US if things go south. Although the winning pointers are still in favor of XRP, we never know what would flip the table or turn it around. And the announcement pretty much convinced the investors that it still has the charm it had always held. On the other hand, if XRP makes a way out of the US crypto industry, it will be a huge blow. And the power Ripple holds is literally different from others. It's among the few companies that got into the mainstream financial institutions on board with the help of cryptocurrency. XRP holders won't sit idle at this point. They're keen on watching the case closely. The whole game will change when Ripple wins the lawsuit. We can't explain how much of a big victory it will be for Ripple, isn't it? Meanwhile, Ripple doesn't seem to have the nature of calming down and going with the flow. Ripple is expanding its operations by teaming up with Finci. If you didn't know, it's better to know that Finci is a Lithuanian online international money transfer provider. Its on-demand liquidity, or ODL, utilizes XRP for crypto-enabled cross-border payments to deliver rapid retail remittances and B2B transactions. How much the news would influence the growth of XRP can only be understood in the coming days. It's a fact that we can observe a strong buying interest encompassing all the currencies lately. We might as well say that the crypto market is about to prance. Following the market crash, everything appeared dull. Not anymore. The market capitalization of the crypto sector exceeded $1.01 trillion for the first time since June 13. Although there are no supporting headwinds to claim that the rally is going to last further, we can still say that it appears to be a time for us to turn in small amounts of money. We can then slowly see how the overall market sentiment is growing. With time, we will understand how much of a big bull run we're going to experience. With that, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video informational and wish to see more content, please hit the like button. Do let us know your opinions in our comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notifications so that you'll always get notified whenever we post a new video. Keep watching our other videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!